Hi, my name is Nolan, and I'm the US distributor for Ion Farms water ionizers. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick demonstration of the product here. So I kind of have a unique setup. I have this water pump that goes to my device, so that is not supplied with the stock product or even the company. But yeah, and it dumps the wastewater out in this bowl. So I set that up for myself. Kind of makes a loud sound, but for the actual product, when you have this hooked up to your sink, like most people, it will be very quiet and it's very efficient. It'll just drain right into the sink instead. But yeah, so it has tons of functions. You can calibrate it. You can calibrate it in many different ways. And so I have the flow rate turned down on mine, which makes it more efficient. And then there's 7 different power settings. And so I have the power turned all the way up. And so you will basically calibrate it based on what level you want, like how much acid or alkaline you want each of these levels to be. So there's 2 acid settings. The higher the number here will be the higher the power. And so acid 1 has a pH of 5. Acid 2 has a pH of 2.5. So that would be the lowest pH setting there is. There is the clean function, just provides filtered water. And then there is 4 alkaline settings. So alkaline 1, this will have a pH of 7.5 or around 7.5 to 8. This will have a pH of 8 to 8.5. And then alkaline 3 has a pH of 9 to 9.5. And then alkaline level 4, the highest this will go is around 11.2. Depending on the settings that you have. And so this one is the one you'd be using for a lot of cleaning, for dissolving oils and water. And yeah, there's amazing chemistry behind it. And it's amazing to just use it as a replacement for washing detergent. And it has awesome results. So let's just give a demonstration here. I'll do alkaline level 3. This is the highest alkalinity that you'd want to be drinking. Like I said, it comes out a little slow on mine because I've got it fine-tuned. And so yeah, I wanted to demonstrate the hydrogen bubbles that you'll see coming out once I stop it here. And so this machine also has a clean function, and I'll just show you. So yeah, I just press this button to turn it on and off. Very simple. So this machine automatically cleans itself, and so it'll run a little bit of acid water across the titanium plates inside of it, and that keeps it from building up residues of calcium and different minerals, which the Kangen machine has a lot of issues with, I've heard. So yeah, I'll put it over here, and you will see it start to clean itself in a second. There you go. And actually that is fine-tunable also. You can tell it if you want it to do the cleaning, how often, and for how long. This is, about 3 seconds. So yeah, you can see if I can get a good picture here. Yeah, so it's not like effervescent, but I mean, this is the standard. The hydrogen is dissolved in the water, but you will see a little bit of it start to condense. Yeah, that right there on the surface is actually the hydrogen bubbles. So it's pretty different from, CO2 bubbles. But yeah, that's it. And I forgot to show you, but let's see if I can bring it up here. As you're filling it up, it will show the different, look, there's my flow rate, 0.3, 0.4 liters. And then it will also show, look, there's the pH that it's set at. and it should show the ORP value, ORP, which is a negative 450. So I also wanted to give a quick demonstration of just the proof of alkalinity. So I've got my pH tester here. So I fill this up halfway. So this comes with every machine, pH reagent. And forgot to open it up beforehand. Hold on one second. So 2 drops in there. And you can see that it's highly alkaline. This is even higher than the normal setting would be because I have my power turned all the way up. So this would probably be about around pH 10. And yeah, and so the higher setting would go even higher than this, and it would be like a very deep violet. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.